Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen with love and wars. Today I'm gonna make chicken and potato croquette. Crispy, golden and delicious. Let's get started. Cook chicken with onion, salt, black pepper, and diced bell pepper until tender. Put the potatoes in a separate pot and boil them until soft. After cooking, peel the potatoes and chop the chicken. Put them in a bowl and add spices. Now add a little salt to the mixture. Now add a little paprika. Add a little garlic powder. Add a little black pepper. And add a little shredded mozzarella cheese. Cover the mixture and mix it well. If you don't have a mixer, you can grate the potato and finally chop the chicken with a knife. Now our mixture is ready to shape into croquettes. Take a walnut-sized portion, flatten into your hand. Add some mozzarella cheese in the center. Then roll it back into shape. See, it should look like this shape. If the mixture sticks to your hands, add some flour, spray oil on your hands, or wet your hands with water while shaping. After shaping all croquettes, place them in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour to rest before frying. Now prepare 3 bowls, one with beaten eggs, one with panko breadcrumbs, and one with all-purpose flour. First roll the croquettes in flour, then dip them in beaten eggs, and finally coat with panko breadcrumbs. Fry them into hot oil. Look how crispy they get while frying. They smell amazing. Look at this cheesy stretch, so delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to share your photos too. With love, from my kitchen to yours. So crispy. It's so delicious. Don't forget, give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.